Welcome back to my channel. I am Stacy. I'm a mom of 2. I'm a hairstylist. I am the creator and curator over at The Beauty Gang, and then I Instagram at Stacy Smart. So the compact I'm using today is one of my favorites. This is a mini double decker. It fits everything that I need in it. I've got my highlight, my concealer, my foundation colors, my contour color, bronzing, lip and cheek color, and then I also have my colors for my brows, for my eyeliner, all of my eyeshadows. Everything that I need fits perfectly into this one compact, and it slides so nicely into my purse. So I'm going to be using this today, and then I also want to share with you 2 of the brushes that I'm obsessed with. I'm obsessed with all of them, let's be honest for a minute, but this is my 32nd HAC brush. It's double-sided, as are all of Maskcara Beauty's brushes. And then this is my Detail HAC brush. And then my other must-have brush is this Eyeshadow Everything brush. So these 3 really are always with me. And then I also am gonna be using this Stay Spray. It has SPF in it, so it's great for prepping your skin before going outside to protect from the harsh sun. So the other thing that I'm going to be using is this little perfector sponge. You want to get it damp and squeeze out all of the excess water so that when you use it on your skin, but it's going to give you that airbrushed look. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's get started. So I have a fresh face. I did put moisturizer on after I got out of the shower earlier today, so that's had some time to soak into my skin. I usually recommend about 20 to 30 minutes after you've applied your moisturizer to begin your makeup. If you have oily skin like I do, or at least you're oily in your T-zone, I like to use this. It's called Stay Setting Spray, and it works really well as a primer. So you can just spritz it all over your face. You can also just pat it into your skin with this little perfector sponge. I'm just gonna pat it all over my skin just to make sure that I don't have any patchiness to my makeup, and so that primer is gonna work to grab the makeup onto my face without it sliding off. Okay, I'm using my mini double decker today, and this holds all of my makeup for my whole face. I've got all of my foundation, my blush, my contour, my lip color, and then I also have my eyeshadows, illuminator, everything that I need, my brows, eyeliner, it's all in this compact. So I'm gonna begin first by dipping my brush into this color right here. It's called Amber, and this is my 32nd HAC brush. It doesn't take much, and I'm just gonna kind of start patting this onto my face. You don't have to be super precise with this because we're gonna blend it out, and I'm gonna show you how to make it look airbrushed in just a second. Okay, so now that I have that color on, I'm going to take a brush called the Detail HAC. You can see it's not blended, that's okay. This brush has a really nice shape on one side for contouring, so I'm gonna dip that into another color. This color is called Astoria. It is universally amazing, and I'm just gonna run it along my cheekbones, just right there, and then any extra I'm gonna run along my jawline, kind of hitting a little bit of my double chin right there, and then I'm gonna also sweep it into my hairline, just along the top of my forehead. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in and use this color Linen, and I'm just gonna get that underneath my eyes. This is gonna help brighten up those eyes so they don't look so tired. Because heaven knows, my 3-year-old didn't sleep well last night. Okay, do you see? It's just kind of slabbed on. I'm gonna do a little just in between my brows, and then just going down the center of my nose ever so lightly. Okay, Time for some magic to happen. This is a perfector sponge, and I'm just gonna start dabbing it onto my skin. If you want a really airbrushed finish to your makeup using this 3D foundation, you want this perfector. It's affordable, and it really does make a huge difference. I'm gonna turn it, and I'm just pushing it into my skin. You really don't wanna swipe it against your skin because that will remove the makeup. Okay, then I'm gonna just turn it and really kind of dab into those contour spots. Just so the whole look is seamless. I don't have any crazy lines. I'm gonna go back in, contour down both sides of my nose. Using my detail hack, I have just a little bit of product on that side of my brush, and I'm just gonna ever so lightly put it on the sides of my nose. Then I'm gonna flip this brush around and just blend it out. Soften those lines. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with some blush. This is the color Sandstone, and I'm gonna use my 32nd HAC brush, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of product on my cheeks. And then I wanna buff it out. So there's two ways that you could buff it out. You could use your perfector sponge. I like to use this same brush, but I don't want too much extra product, so I'm just gonna wipe it off on a towel really quick, and then I'm just gonna do circular motions, backing up to blend it in. Okay, all right, if you go in too crazy with it, you can just flip over this side of your brush and just kind of soften that down. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna go in, and when I am in a big hurry, I usually just do like one eyeshadow color. All of my eyeshadow colors are in the back of this compact. I have a little bit of time today, so I'm going to do a couple. So this is a color I'm just gonna put right underneath my brow bone, kind of give a little bit of a lift, and then I am gonna put it on the center or the inner corner of my eye. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this color. It's called Lullaby, and I'm just gonna sweep that on the outer corner of my eye. Just gives a little something. Okay, I'm gonna go in and put on a little bit of illuminator. This is the color Honey. As you can tell, I love honey. If you have a skin tone similar to mine, then you could use Honey, you could use Pearl or Dream. If you've got a little bit of a darker skin tone, you could use Rose Gold or Glow. This is Glow. I love using Glow on my eyes. I'm gonna put just a little right there. And then I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna finish with a little bit of lip color. So this is the color Black Cherry. I'm just gonna use my finger. Run it on my lips, and that's it, I'm done. If you have any questions, send me an email. I will post it right here below. If you're wanting to just browse the site, I will put the link below. You can shop at thebeautygang.com. You can also join the Beauty Gang VIP on Facebook. It's free to join. We post tutorials and giveaways and lots of fun stuff in there. So there will be a link below this video to join that, and I will see you next time.